Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
So this week, what are we cooking?
So we're making the it's called Catfish Sandwich.
Catfish sandwiches.
We also got some tartar sauce that we're making.
So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tell you what the ingredients are. Well, actually, Baker is gonna tell us what the ingredients are, and then we're gonna make the tartar sauce before we make the catfish. All right. So as usual, I'm gonna be behind the camera, and Baker, you're gonna do your thing.
So we got mayo.
And you got that olive oil mayo, which is healthier than regular mayo.
This is called the bread and butter pickles.
Ooh, bread and butter.
We got dill weed, salt, black pepper, all-purpose flour, cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, cayenne pepper. We got cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
And we got catfish fillet, hot sauce, romaine lettuce, vegetable oil, and we got self-sandwich rolls.
Awesome.
Also, we got eggs too.
That's eggs. And got everything all measured out. All right, so when we come back, we'll have our bowl and we'll mix our tartar sauce.
The mayo, pickles, dill, and pickle. I don't know what that means. Pickle pine thing. Anyways, seasoning with salt and pepper. After that, stir it again to combine, and then cover, refrigerate it until ready to use.
All right, let's do our tartar sauce. Actually, move it over here for the catfish.
I get smooth.
Did I not say? Make sure you have everything you need.
No, I just need like a spoon for mayo.
What I say? I said, Baker, you got everything you need. Like, yes. No, you don't.
Yeah, but I need a spoon. I need a spoon.
Yeah, wooden spoon behind you.
Right.
How much of the mayo did you use?
1/2 cups of mayo,
Okay.
and then 2 tablespoons of bread and butter pickle.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. Right here. Okay, salt. Then black pepper. Mix it. That's it.
Alrighty. Alright, we're coming back and we're gonna prepare the fish. And we are back. Alright, it's time to go fishing. Alright, so we got our fish out, we got our egg wash, we got our ingredients to coat it. There's our prep station. Alright, so Baker, let us know what we're gonna be doing.
Okay, so it says place the flour into the first bowl.
And how much flour?
1 cup of flour. Actually, it was 3rd, 4th cup of the thing, but let's change it to like 1 cup of flour.
1 cup flour.
Yeah.
Okay.
think it's enough, right?
Yeah, I should.
Okay. Okay, then place the cornmeal or cayenne pepper in the second bowl. Okay, gonna whisk it in.
It's a spicy chicken, catfish.
Okay, and then, okay, we got placing the egg into the third bowl that we got already,
And our egg wash.
and then seasoning in each bowl with salt and pepper and whisk it combined. Oh, I don't know which one.
What? What? Are we missing a utensil?
Let's put it over here.
What did we put in there?
In the second bowl,
How many teaspoons? How many? What's the measurement? 1/4 teaspoon
of a pepper, and then a teaspoon.
of salt.
All right.
So are we going to be putting the flour and the cornmeal together or no?
It says, one at a time, dredge of catfish fillet in the flour, and then dip it into the egg lading, and then excess drip back into the bowl, and coast with a cornmeal mixture set inside.
All right, so we're going to be putting the fish into the flour, then into the egg, and then over here to the cornmeal, and then over here. All right, so, and we are back. Okay, so Baker's got 1 piece of fish down, 7 more to go. Got that. Dip, dip, dip. The egg wash. Excess off. Into the cornmeal. There you go. And he was swimming and swimming and swimming. Ew. And swimming and swimming. Okay, and over here. Looking good. All right, do it again. 7 more times.
Sorry, my arms.
Okay, you only did 2. You only did 2.
It's just like pull up like this.
You want me to help you out? You want me to help you out? All right.
I think I got it. There's like only 4 more. I'll live. I'll just do this.
Really? 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 So we got six catfish ready to go. Go ahead, do your thing.
Alright. It says carefully add the fish in the hot oil, 5 to 7 minutes, turning once at about the halfway through the cooking time until the garlic brown are over. Transfer the cooked fish and pepper plate will drain.
Yeah. Alright. Be careful. Slowly. 1 in at a time. Just do 1 at a time. See how that goes. So give that about 5 to 7 minutes to fry. On what temperature we got it on?
375.
375 for 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so we got some nice looking catfish. Check that out. Great job, Baker. Great job. All right, so he's gonna make his version of a catfish sandwich the way he likes it. And then we're gonna taste it after. All right, so how you gonna make your sandwich? Hey guys, welcome back. Here we go. I'm gonna do our taste test on our sandwich. Ready?
Yep.
I had to warm up the catfish because it was a little cold. I like hot food. So. Ooh. You all right? This food hot.
Oh my God, it's hot, man. I miss you put.
Put it in there, burn a couple more than that.
Oh.
It's good though.
I was crying. I don't know why.
It's not hot sauce. It's a hot sauce.
No, it wasn't that hot. It's just
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. So,
I'm alright.
okay, another successful recipe from the Baker and LJ recipe. Snoop Dogg's work cookbook. You guys try it at home. See how yours comes out. Oh, man, these catfish fillets are good. Man. Thank you guys again for tuning in for another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button so you can see when our videos come up. And let us know how your recipe came out. Our recipe came out really good. We're going to be eating some good catfish tonight. So, thank you again for watching. See you next time.